Good morning or good evening. Hello. How's it going, everybody? Hello, everybody. Good evening or good morning. Constantine, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining the Winners Club. Hello there. Keegan Murphy, hello. Loving Nature Guy, Dave Mack, welcome back. Well, I have some good news and bad news. The not so good news is that nothing is going on today. The market is just basically dead. The somewhat good news is that we can still trade gold. So, you know, not much to do. Fictional Car, hello there. And Giuseppe Pucci, hello. Theobella, hello. Buying or selling? Well, yeah, so the thing is, we just took out the sell side here, which was lunch hour low. I would rather be looking for a buy here. But yeah, we're going to look into some levels. I mean, we do have, sorry, before we go into that, we do have a 1 hour demand zone here, which is a very, very important level, and it's a textbook one. So yeah, so this is a valid, absolutely valid 1 hour demand zone. So I can actually imagine that gold can go lower to 45.91 as well. Dark Cloud, hello. But yeah, it could be interesting. We have a 1 hour fair value gap here. Hold on. Hey, it's not that easy, especially now. But you know what? Well, maybe I just missed the move because there was a 50% retracement right there. Hold on. Maybe we can take a short. Oh my gosh, I have to start Ninja. I might have to start Ninja Trader and maybe put a limit order right there. So we can do that. Kelly Kaufman, hello, good morning. I'm doing great. Thank you for joining. Good morning, everybody else. Lubovsk, hello. Good morning. Welcome. Attila de Hun, hello. What's up? Good morning, Yodagat. Hello. Good to see you. Shandor, hello. Tegnap kaptam egy e-mailt valakitől magyarul. Anyway, yesterday I received an email from one of you guys from the chat, well, the Hungarian fellow trader. I will reply to that. Let's get green, yeah. Yesterday was a little bit mixed, to be honest. I ended up in the green, but still, like, it was very confusing price action for sure. Oh, look at that. I think we're going to go down to that 1 hour gap. So yeah, it was a little bit of a confusing price action. Actually, I'm thinking to maybe put a short here. This would have been a great short opportunity. Maybe I'll do it on gold if it goes back. I don't think it's going to go back though. That's going to be, let's see, the high was 19, yeah, 19.5. I'm not sure it's going to go back. Hold on. I don't know what happened. But I am trying to do something here. Oh yeah, sorry, I can't trade. I still cannot put a limit order on Apex. Yeah, totally forgot about that. On gold. But there was an email saying that they are actually going to come back with the gold. I mean, they're coming back with metals. Anyway, let me check that email. I know I have it somewhere here. I can't find it. I know I had an email yesterday. Anyway, I can't find it. There was an email somewhere that said that they're bringing back the metals, but I can't find it. Anyway, I will find it. Yeah, we need some of them. Look at that, kind of going lower. Can you change your time frame to 5 minutes? This is the 5 minute time frame. FundedSub, I'm good to see you, man. Yeah, lots of movie yesterday. Corb, hello, good morning. Yeah, gold is dumping. Kind of seems like it wants to go down into that fair value gap on the hourly. Short from 656, let's go. Yeah, the problem with NQ is that it's practically not moving. Look at the range in the past, like 2 hours. It's 20 points. It's very bad. FundedFutures network is decent. No issue at all. Good morning, Ongia. Hello there. And the Mercurian, hello. Good morning. No, I'm not. I'm not in the trade. Unfortunately, my order did not get picked up at 19.5. So here was my limit order, 19.5, and this candle here, the high was 19.4. So it actually missed it. Yeah. So it missed my entry. It is what it is. Yeah, exactly. There's bank holiday in many countries here in Europe. 656. Oh, from 656. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, that's a real good one. Well, if you're short from there, maybe it's better to secure some profits. You know. MSUFO, how you doing, man? Oh, I'm feeling a bit of a FOMO. Look at this. Look at that. I've been left in the dust there, and gold is just gonna go down to that 1 hour gap. Oh, it's risk-free. All right, then. Well, it's risk-free. That's all you need to have, you know. Free money trades. Banksters need a day off. Yeah, they all. Yeah, let's look at NQ. It's not moving at all. Guys, the NQ is basically a no trade. Absolutely, like this is no. This is a no trade. Absolutely a no trade. You see? There's nothing there. Yeah, unfortunately, I wish it would be differently, but yeah. It's just a big pile of, you know what? There's just nothing there. The only thing that we can do, maybe. Good morning, ID. Hello there. More micro sell on gold. Let's go. Let's go. It kind of looks good. Very high chance of breaching the fair value gap on the hourly down there. And I'm just gonna have the FOMO. So about NQ, there is no structure here to be shifted. We have Asia low, by the way. Hold on. Okay, that would be Asia low. Right there. 588. Santosh, hello. Good morning. Welcome. Let's all smash the likes, by the way. I mean, this morning session is going to be terrible. There's going to be no London Open. Actually, there's gonna be a London Open in the UK. Hold on. We do have a London Open. Okay. All right. Never mind. Previous day high, Asia high. All right. We might even get a decent price action. Who knows? We'll be closed on Monday 4, right? Oh, look at that. Bank holiday. May Day. Okay. So, all right. So we have a London Open officially. Well, it kind of seems like it's a national thing for them. Oh, look at gold. I'm really gonna have the FOMO about this. This would have been such a great trade. Anyway, we're gonna focus a little bit on both. So there's no structure here. We have a swing high at 38.25 and we have Asia high up there. Let's look for some levels on the hourly. That's the all-time high. Okay, never mind. So that is all-time high right there. You took it off at the VWAP. Well, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Oh my gosh, look at this. The FOMO, guys, the FOMO. Well, until it's not reaching the fair value gap, it could be still a good limit sell. But I'm afraid it will not go up there again. So we have an Asia low at 588. Took a quick buy. Let's go. Mohamed, hello. Good morning. Good morning. I seriously can't find the email from Apex that was saying metals. They're bringing back metals. Anyway, I'll find it. Jezit, hello, good morning. Well, what do I think about gold shorts? Here's what I think. I think there was a short opportunity here, and my limit order did not get triggered. We should be going down into that 1 hour fair value gap though, which would be somewhere around that 646.08.9. Not metals, metals. Like gold, silver. Yeah, I know my pronunciation is not good, but Apex was sending out a message, I think yesterday or 2 days ago, that they will bring back the metals, commodities. Yeah, that's what I don't remember. If they already put that in motion, or is it just a plan to bring those back? All right, this gold trade is gone. Unfortunately, my limit order did not get triggered. So, a bit of a FOMO here, guys. Metals, yeah, it was me. All right, down to the 1 hour fair value gap on gold. And you know what? I'm just going to switch to... Hold on. Sorry, I'm a little bit over the place here. But yeah. At least now it's cleaner. So we have NQ on the left and gold on the right. And we don't need to switch now. Well, at least the prediction was good, but I got left there by just one tick, one single tick. But it was valid though, because there was a bit of a liquidity sweep here, and obviously, on the 5 minute, there was a nice structure shift. And although there was no fair value gap, by the way, on gold, but there was a bit of a, well, let's see, open of this candle was, let's see it. Open of this candle was 19.4, close of this one was 19.5. Anyway, there was like one tick of space that we could have get that. That's why I put my limit entry at 0.5. Anyway, it wasn't bad. Okay, Asia low could be next here on NQ. Could be bear traps, right? I was also thinking the same, Kelly. Like, could this be a bear trap and now they're just going to squeeze everybody to make a new all-time high? So let's look at this a little bit closer. We have unbalanced price ranges here, which could be enough for a potential liquidity sweep. So that's a possibility. There was also, and obviously I'm already doing something which I should not do. I'm trying to force a trade here. So what I'm trying to say is some level of liquidity has been taken, but honestly, it's not looking that bad. Yeah, I mean, it looks good for shorts on NQ, by the way. It depends how the next candle, so not this one, but how the next candle is going to close. Are we going to have at least a little bit of a fair value gap there? See that oil? See that with oil. All right. Kyla, hello there. Thank you for joining. Welcome. Okay, so this is the thing I wasn't really looking for. In 250 plus with 3 micros. Let's go, Funded Top, and that's really good. That's amazing. Yeah, Asia low. Let's go. So here's the issue. There's just a tiny fair value gap here. A very small one. Right there. That is all. That is all. So the low of this is 619. Okay. And the high of this is 18.75. All right, so that's very bad. Just one tick. That's not enough. That's just one tick. It's not gonna be good. Serial, hello there. Right now it's slowly trapping bulls. We'll reach around Asia low and then back to bullish business. Yeah. I like that idea. I'm kind of liking the idea. I might gonna try something, which I'm not sure I want to do. But it could be interesting. How about I put a limit order, because the 50% ratio is somewhere just there where that wick is. I mean, sorry, where that fair value gap is. It can technically go. He's short until 500. All right, let's go. Let's hope it will drop. I don't know. So what if? Yeah, we can put a short here. And kind of hope that we can go a little bit lower. How about this? A limit order at 619. A limit order at 619. What do you guys think? Should we risk it for the biscuit? Should we force it? Or should we just let it go? I'm not sure I'm liking it though. So I see it the other way. Funded, I feel like it's trapping all the FOMO shorts or selling at the bottom, but I won't try to. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a little bit confused myself as well. Still have time, so well, I can try with $100 of risk. You know, that's basically nothing. We can go with like just $100 of risking it for the biscuit. And we'll see what happens. All right. I put a limit order at 619. I don't think it will get it, but who knows? 619 is a very small position, and stop loss could be at 29.50. It's 4 micro, but because of the stop is tight, it's going to be less than $100 if it goes up there. Well, maybe it's not going to go up there. Look at this. Asia low incoming. Yeah, random spikes could happen. Quite easy. All right, if this candle, if the current candle is going to close lower, then yeah, obviously I'm deleting this order. Gold is smashing through. This is a 1 hour, by the way, on gold. This is a 1 hour demand zone at 45.91. Still not going for it. I mean, it could be falling. It actually repriced the 1 hour gap, and it could be going lower. Stop talking about bull news. Yeah, it's slow. It's slow, guys. And just like we talked about it, like spikes can happen all the way, everywhere. All right, let me check. Let me check. How are we doing with the likes? How are we doing with the likes? I know it's a slow morning. It used to be a little bit faster, so we are at 40 likes. Let's go, everybody. Let's push it. 40 likes. $47 now. Awesome. All right, so we still have 2 minutes and 19 seconds from this 5-minute candle. I don't think it's going to go back up there. So it kind of looks like it wants to take that Asia low. But we'll see. All right. Most likely it looks like I'm going to delete this order and just wait a little bit more. Yeah. All right. I'm deleting the order. It's just not going to go through. Yeah, it's way too slow. EBPVUZHX is here. Hello, EBPVUZHX. So good to see you, man. Hey. It's so good to see you. How you doing, man? 600. I mean, it should be going through 600, I think. Let me delete this limit order. It's not valid anymore, not in my book. So, yeah. 500. I like, I don't know about 500, but Asia low at 588 is a really good target for it. It didn't take my order, so we're just gonna wait a little bit more. Married life is busy, right? Abhishek has a very busy life now. Yeah, gold looks interesting, but there's no structure. I want to see more structure because I would be looking for a possible reversal here. So we'll see if we get anything at the London Open. Trying to catch till 500. Could be possible. Let's see. This is the 15-minute. We have some. Actually, you know what? That is actually not a bad idea. So we have a 15-minute fair value gap at 541. It could be falling way down, way below the Asia low. That's why I'm saying, like, Asia low would be like a really, really good target in this case. Going lower. 588. Okay, going lower. There you go. Almost 600. Did we take it already? I think we did. No, 601. Let's go. Blessed. Well, 100 is 100, you know. Asia low is the next possible target. I have no positions on yet, so I have absolutely no positions. Zero positions. Yeah, me too. I'm flat. I'm just kind of flat. So Till London session, we have 19 minutes. Previous day close. Okay. Yeah. We have that here right now, right? That was here. This is here. Okay. All right. Well, I kind of feel like that it wants to go for that Asia low at 5.8. It's just so close. So it's really close. And while we're waiting, you have only time until tonight to get the pass one, get one free at MyFundedFutures. Go for it. Gonna have some giveaways next week from MyFundedFutures, and we'll try to get some TRADEIFYs as well. Although we did not make it with TRADEIFY, but we'll try to get it this month as well. The giveaway accounts. I'll try to get some from Lucid. So maybe FundedFutures network. I think they can do it. I think the buy one get one deal is still on. I'll check it. Maybe not. I think maybe that expired during the night. I want to drop some giveaways. There will be giveaways, not today, next week. I will get, this week we had Take Profit Trader. Next week I'm going to get some MyFundedFutures and hopefully FundedFutures network. So at least two prop firms should be giving us accounts for you guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's going down. Less than 10 points to go to Asia low, 588. Rig the giveaways. All right. I'll try to do that, Abhishek. No problem. No problem. I'll rig it for you. But keep it a secret. Guys, there's just nothing. At least we have some. I mean, at least NQ moved out from that area, with congestion area, and yeah. But so far, we're definitely feeling the lack of volume here. All right, let's do it, Abhishek. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. It is definitely slow. Slow. Now, I was kind of wondering, but that would be forcing something which is not there. What if I take this swing? And what if I want to put a short order for that 612 down to Asia low? It's not enough. It's not enough. No, I'm not gonna force it. Now this is really bad, because when I start to do things like this, I'm trying to force myself into a trade that's not even there, right? So Just a second, guys. Just a second. We have 57 likes. Let's get 43 more. 43 while we break through that Asia low. 6 points in this market is really good, Kelly. Right, you know, Randall is here. Limit order sell at 622. I like it. I had the limit sell order at 619. You know what, Randall, if we go back there, I might gonna join you for a sell. But if we sweep Asia low, then maybe not. But if it goes back up to 619, I might even do it. I wonder if we will see institutional selling in the London session. Yeah, that would be interesting. Let's smash those likes. Yeah, small orders keeps the FOMO away, by the way. That is true. Small orders definitely can help with that. Good morning, Rob the Scalper. Hello. Well, technically, it's a holiday here. Like, at most post-communist countries, right? So technically, it's a holiday. And you know, today is the birthday of my father. He's 72 years old today. So I think I'm gonna have a lunch or a dinner with him later. So yeah, we're gonna celebrate. Belgium had a holiday. Okay, well, it seems like it's, well, there are other countries here. Look at that. Italy, Germany, French, Swiss, you know. Happy birthday to him. Thank you. I will give the regards. Holiday in Greece as well. Oh, yeah. By the way, Constantina, thank you again for joining the membership level. Thank you. I appreciate it. Most of Europe is celebrating. Like it's like an interesting, weird memory of like post-communism, you know. But but no politics this morning. No politics. So still kind of holding 600. Still holding 600 here. Okay, bit of a small push. Gold is kind of stalling. You planned a road trip with treat him like, oh yeah. Did he tell you guys something about that? When we do the road trip with Myth, I am definitely gonna make him eat some langosh. That is like not even a question. Wacky Beats, hello there. I can't wait for our post-communist era here in Canada. Oh, I see. Vote for Trump? No, I don't want to. Oh, no. I would not be president even if like some miracle would happen. No, sir. You know, even if I would be working in the government, I would be like, you know those guys who are not the prime minister, not like some public figure, but I would be working in the background, in the shadows. Like I would be the puppet master. I would be moving the strings in the government. So I would have ultimate power, but I would dictate what everybody will do. I would be a dictator, yes. I would be the puppet master, for sure. If you know, you know. Exactly. He visiting his partner in crime. Yeah. So it seems like Myth is going to travel to Hungary, hopefully soon. And when he does, he's going to be in a world of pain. I can guarantee. No. Emperor of Hungary. We're going to have an amazing time. When he comes, I'm going to make sure we put on some videos. We're going to have a great time. Government, yeah. Look at this. We're still not dropping down to that 88. What's going on here? What is going on here? Let's see. Yes, currently I'm trying to look for buys on gold. The thing is, I don't see that there's going to be anything right now. Well, you know, it's a bank holiday for most countries today. Randall is saying buy orders above. So we have bank holidays because it's like the 1st of May. Many countries are having holiday today, but we should be having a London Open in 7 minutes. So I'm kind of curious. So buy orders above. I'm going to keep an eye on that 619 there. Maybe it will happen, but honestly, I don't know. There's a very tiny fair value gap there. Right there. On the 5 minute. That is why. Otherwise, well, if I zoom in now, it seems like a huge fair value gap, but basically that's it. Otherwise, I'm not really. So as long as Asia low is not being taken, it could be good, but I'm not sure. Mick, hello. 607 has resting orders. All right. Let's all smash the likes. How are we doing? We're kind of waiting for London Open here, so not much to do with this. We are at 65 likes. Come on, 35 to go. Let's get to 100. I know we can do that. Let's get to 100 likes while we are waiting for the Open. Let's start YouTube video like bot. Yeah. By the way, speaking of YouTube videos, I want to, I know I said it a couple of times, but I really want to make vlog videos. I do have the, I mean, I'm in the mood to take some vlog videos, like really. but like I don't want to do like super fancy editing. It's just like simple edits, like how the day in life goes on and what things that I'm doing, etc. And I'm gonna put that on a separate playlist on the channel. It will be somewhat also trading related, but like day in life videos and such. I really want to do it. Someone told me, I know a guy who's an expert in YouTube, and he told me like if I do that, it's not going to be good for my channel because YouTube doesn't like those channels that has variety videos, like from every type of niche. But anyway, I want to do it anyway. We are at 73 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 73 likes. Amazing. We only need 26 more. 26 more likes. Actually, no. Now 26 because 74 is already 27. 26 more to go. Thank you for being here. Less than 3 minutes to go until London Open. So... Actually, Myth told me yesterday that he might join the stream, or we do a joint stream, or he will stream and whatever. And now he's gone. So just be yourself. No need for ultra processed. Yeah. Also, yeah, very important. Mercurian, this guy who, as I said, he's an expert in YouTube marketing. He also told me, and they are in business since quite a few years, and they're managing YouTube channels and everything. He told me, and this information is like really interesting. He told me that during their 10 years of research, and they're always being updated with the newest infos from YouTube and everything, and as much as they can know about the algorithm. He tells me that YouTube nowadays, because the algo is changing like every year, but nowadays YouTube is rewarding the raw material, like the videos that are super edited, AI edited, and super full of effects and everything are being downgraded a little bit by the algo, and instead YouTube creators who just record a raw video but has a good content on it, but no super editing, just regular edits, real content, no AI, just regular things, those are being picked up more by the algorithm nowadays. And those that have been extremely edited, especially with AI, are being downgraded. Very interesting. The algorithm actually, how it makes a difference. So also one more reason that I might just gonna record some very simple raw videos with some simple edits, you know. Yes, some of my videos are members only. I will change that, and I will, or maybe I will upload some different type of videos for the members. I do want to give some little bit of an extra for those of you who joined the membership. So yeah, anyway, London Open is here right now. Let's see what happens. The market is open in London. Nothing is moving. All right, it's officially London Open right now. Interesting how we didn't go for 588 yet. Randall is saying there are orders at 607. It's pretty active, right? Could go up there to 618. Oops, I just switched. Okay, yeah, gold is kind of at the same spot. Okay. 607 long positions. Randall was saying earlier that it could be a good area to take shorts. I think that was he was referring to, right? If we get 607 hold and hold then 622. Yeah, I would be looking for that 619 level for shorts, but it depends on what type of volume are we going to get in the next 30 minutes or so. We are at 84 likes. 16 more to go, everybody. 16 more. Thank you, everybody. You guys are amazing. Swoop, hello. Hello there. Because counter pull, yeah, it does. It's not so good, guys. Honestly, it's not looking good. It's just not. Scalping long. I wish I would dare to do that, but I'm a chicken. I can't do it. Took 8 points there. Guys, kudos to you guys for doing it. I don't have the nerves to do that. I just don't. I wish I could. I don't have the nerves. Okay, gold is kind of slipping lower just a bit. Texting Orban. Yeah, sure. Sure, exactly. Exactly. Oh, okay. That was a question. You know, I'm still kind of thinking, oh, wow, look at what is going on here. What if we're going to sweep that 619 up there that we talked about? Look at that. Huh. Yeah, Randall you were absolutely correct. Resting orders here. I wonder if we're going to pick more orders from that 619 area. I'm a little bit like nervous. I can still do something though. Oh my gosh, what's happening? We have Constantina. Oh yeah, you became a member. Thank you so much again for joining the membership. Alerts are coming in a little bit late now. It's because of Streamlabs. But thank you for joining the membership level. All right, what I can do to make things a little interesting, I can put a sell limit there. How about that? I can put a sell limit and the buy stop right there. What do you guys think? Uh, 619 would be my number for a sell limit. I'm not copying this trade, so this is just only going to be on one single account. $619. I told you guys we have this very small, tiny gap here. There you go. Got tagged in. All right. So now that we got tagged in, there's the short. I'm going to go for 597.25. All right. That's it. What's the EM? This is not an EMA. This is the VWAP, volume weighted average price indicator. Five-minute VWAP. Ah, okay. It seems like it could be just smashing through this. You're welcome. Yes, I'm in this one. I'm in this one. I'm in this short. Maybe it was, but I'm not copying this, and I'm only risking kind of $100 on this, so not a big deal. I'm just curious that are we gonna go through that's that 630, or is it gonna try to go for Asia low again? If not, that's fine too. That's all right. Just one single account. No big deal. Look at the oil. Oh, wow. Dropping like hell. Some bad news were hitting the market, it seems like. Took profit on Q. Oh, later. Okay. Let me read the headlines. Get that baseline scenario is more restrictive monetary policy. Okay. All right, so not much is going on there. I mean, we can still sweep Asia low. That is why it's kind of interesting to see what price is doing here. Yeah, oil is dumping. So maybe some positive news? Nothing. Yeah, no headlines. No headlines, but... Tuan, hello. How's it going, man? Welcome, welcome. Oil testing the 105 level. All right. Excuse me. Made Asia speed Paja. Oh. Okay. Man, I would love to see NQ drop from here. I would love to see the drop. That would be so cool. But if it's not, it's not. Hit 622. We hit that, by the way. We did hit 622, right? We did. I mean, the weave up. Yeah. There was there. We went up there. Nice rejection. On the nose. Yeah. High was 22.50. By the way, perfect call, Randall. Randall called 622, by the way. If some of you guys are just tuning in, Randall called 622 even before the stream started. But really, he called it. I'm okay. I'm not pulling my hair. Look at how this position looks. It's really looking awesome. If it fails and goes back up there, we're just gonna pretend this never happened. All right, at least, yeah, don't jinx it. Don't jinx it. At least gold is also forming some sort of a structure. We'll see which way it's going to break out from here. Okay, I'm kind of seeing that. By the way, on gold, we formed a 15-minute. We have a 15-minute supply zone here on gold. Just saying. 15-minute supply zone for future reference. Okay. I'll delete that. And that is it. If it goes higher, I'm just going to blame Randall. No, of course not. If it goes higher, we're going to wait for the next chance. Look at this. I had to jinx it. I just had to jinx it. I had to jinx it. Yeah. It's fine. But so if we go above that swing high, okay, I understand that we go higher, but where to next, right? Is this going to be a potential structure shift, by the way? And because speaking of structure shifts on the 5-minute, and I'm just kind of, well, there was no huge liquidity sweep here, so we are at 93 likes. Can we get 7 more? Only 7 more likes to go. Let's get it, everybody. Let's get that 7. Just 7. 6 more. Let's do it. 4 more. 4 more likes to go. We're at 96 already. 96 already. Let's get it. 102. You can still push it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are amazing. So, kind of waiting. Still. Right at previous day high view of that. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Long from 603. What would be a good target if you're long? Well, from 603, I would be taking partials at least once we hit my stop loss. By the way, no, really. And then maybe final TP would be up there at around 640. Now I don't know about the upper portion here above the 50s. So, you know, those would be good targets. And yeah. I'm all right with this one, guys. It's just, I'm not even copying this one. It's just $100 of risk on this trade. I'm perfectly comfortable with this stop loss. So let's just wait. As usual. Let me put this here. And it's going. And while we wait, let me just give you guys the shameless plug. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the code up there on the checkout page at all these prop firms to get the best available discount. There are still some good sales going on. But all these prop firms, thank you for considering it. Yeah, gold dropped nicely here, and that's why I'm just kind of still waiting if it's going to shift here or not. Look at this now. So we have a 1 hour demand zone down there. We have a 5-minute zone. I'm kind of thinking, what if, but I don't know. What if this one maybe, I don't know. What if this one might create a possible short opportunity on gold? Oh, look at this drop here, guys. Look at this. Oof. Uh-oh. What is going on? I'm keeping my short. I'm 100% keeping my short, guys. There's no question about that. I'm going to keep that short. I'm keeping it. I'm a keeper. Let's go, Kelly. I don't know what's up with gold, but I do love the short on NQ. VWAP rejection. Yeah, look at on the 5-minute. It's rejecting it. A little note table. Yeah. It's right now on the 1 minute, which is the small screen. On the 1 minute, the short is looking really beautiful, by the way. It's looking really, really beautiful on the 1 minute on NQ. So I'm gonna hold it and see what's gonna happen. Rejection. TP hit, let's go. Tobella, congratulations. Whoa, it's beautiful. I love it. I love it, guys. This really looks amazing. Oh, what a beautiful. This is such a beautiful, beautiful drop. Come on, keep going. Keep going below 600. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Whoa. This is really, really nice. Go lower. Oh, come on, don't stop here. I'm kind of curious how gold is gonna continue as well. You would cut it at 605. Because I'm kind of quote unquote testing something, I'm going for a standard deviation of 2. So I'm just curious if we're trying to hit the Asia low basically, but I'm good with a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. But it's tricky. It's tricky because this is what I wanted to say earlier, because we had a market structure shift at 606 here, and it could be pushing higher, you know. Come on, NQ. Please, just drop. Drop, NQ. You need to drop. This is the moment to shine, NQ. This is it. Just drop it. Okay. Let's hope I lose this trade for AG. I don't mind. Don't worry. My risk is very small, so. Otherwise, traders will pull their hair. Do you have a target per day, or do you? Well, I don't have a P&L target, by the way. I kind of go with the flow, but nowadays I'm trying to reduce the number of trades. Like, you know, I'm trading London session, I'm trading New York session as well. So including both sessions, I'm trying to reduce myself to, including London and New York again, to around 4 trades a day on average. It could be 2 trades, it could be even 5 trades. It could be even just 1 or no trade, but like on average 3-4 trades a day, including London and New York. Like sometimes I try to do heavy scalping, but that's not ending too well for me. Scalping is always triggering me to do some very, very, very bad things. Okay, look at that, guys. Anyone wants to go short? Look at this. Here's the gold short, by the way. I'm not sure I'm gonna take it. Right now, as this candle is closing on the 5. Wow. Look at this. Come on, let's drop. Let's drop. It could both win, yeah. Oh, come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I feel like gold also wants to go there. Maybe a possible short on gold. $604.5. Anyway. Come on. Crude is still bearish. Overall. Gold is not taking that liquidity yet. Come on. Go lower. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, everybody. Yes, we did it.
Let me tell you something. Earlier in the session, I was struggling big time. I couldn't even get out of my own way. Then out of nowhere, this sensational feeling took over me, and I just couldn't stop winning. It was incredible. I was rock hard.
Stay relentless and unwavering in your pursuit. Like a rock that withstands the fiercest of storms. Like being the hardest of rocks, you can stand as a symbol of determination and resilience. In a world of challenges and obstacles, we remain unshakable as a rock, our essence unbreakable. Our merciless resolve is a testament to the human spirit. As rock hard as the mountains. Rock hard.
All right. It was good. Samish, so Tom, do you do this over and over and over? Yeah, I do this over and over and over and over until the end of times. That's what I'm gonna do. You want this song? All right. If you guys want this song, I can paste it. This is from one of my favorite Twitch streamers, Hollywood Bob, who is a gamer. So he's gaming on Twitch. And this is the song. Unfulfilled, yeah. Okay, this trade is, I don't think I'm going to take that gold trade. Although I did put a limit order. See that? But I didn't go for it. This was such a beautiful trade. I can't believe that it actually happened on a day like this when there's like a bank holiday. Yeah, it was a really bad price action. And we still made it through. So gold is kind of continuing lower. Thank you. Yeah, this was a really good one. Good one. And you know, by the way, you guys remember who were here in the beginning of the stream? We were talking about this fair value gap here. And Randall was also calling out 622, so huge credit for him as well. Got rejected here at 622. And I was just kind of spotting a couple of things here on that. This is the 5 minute. It's not even the 1 minute or whatever. So as we had this low here at 155, we had a small fair value gap here. And we repriced it, pushed it higher, volume imbalance here, both these places. So we pushed it higher. And what actually happened, we shifted structure. Well, not shifted, but like continued to go bearish. So it's not a market structure shift, but it's like a confirmation that we're still bearish. And so because there was no fair value gaps along this drop, there was only one place that I could use. This here, this exact area at 619. So obviously that's where patience comes into the picture. It could have taken me out, of course, but look at that. Got back there, tried to force it. VWAP was kind of also rejecting it. Rendell was absolutely correct on this one. and these candles. Anyway, that was my limit order, and boom. So it was good. It was good. And by the way, speaking of gold, just for a second here, there is a possibility, because gold didn't go for the 1 to 2 yet. So just saying, like, gold still didn't go for the 1 to 2 risk to reward yet. Now, the way that I look at this and the way that I trade this is, because I'm trying to aim on these type of trades for the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. As long as the distance has not been met, of course, this is okay. This has been met, so I'm kind of talking against myself, but this is why I was risking a lower amount of the capital, I mean, of profit. But anyway, if the 1 to 2 risk to reward already being met, like here, taking a trade again from there is a lower probability short. Okay. Now, if this would go back here, that would be a higher probability short than this one going back up here and try to short it. So I have no exact numbers or anything to confirm that to you. It's just kind of, I'm just kind of seeing it from my own personal experience. Whenever we already made the 1 to 2 trip, even if it goes back to that desired fair value gap, it's a lower probability short. But because we still had the Asia low, that gave me at least a bit of a courage to short it. But as long as gold is kind of still here, it's hovering, you can get that quote unquote cheaper price. So it's still valid up there at 46.04. Perfectly balanced. Thank you for joining. It was good for 1400. Well, that's profit as well. 141, that's good. Yeah, I mean, not everybody likes to trade with fair value gaps. I completely respect, like, whatever it is that makes you money, go with it, right? Gold volatile right now, yeah. Curry fishbowl. Don't worry, there's going to be always news. So look at that. Now we're going for Asia low. Look at it. Now it's going to take it. 588 guarantee. It's going to sweep through it. There you go. Almost there. Almost there. It's not there yet, but unlucky. Welcome. Do you trade with fair value gaps, supply and demand zones? Fair value gaps, supply and demand zones, these are my main go-to, but mostly supply and demand, and yeah. Hey Gio, thank you. Köszönöm szépen. Yeah, exactly, Kelly. Randall is short again. Randall cannot get enough of this market. He's short. Would you look for longs now? Yeah, absolutely, Windrider. I would be looking for longs. I would rather say to you that I'm not looking for shorts. It can still drop, by the way, because there's at 541 there's a 15-minute fair value gap, so we can continue easily to drop down lower. I'm just not really looking for shorts right now. If there would be some sort of a magic happening to shift the structure higher, but then we need structure, then I would be looking for longs. Yeah, but I would rather say I'm not looking to get short here. Now, as for gold, as I said, it's still kind of valid. It's like the matter of, you know, the time as well. We're going to have stock exchange open, pre-market open in 19 minutes. So let's see what happens. That's the electronic trading hours. Electronic trading hours. You cut it for 32. 32 is actually good. Globex lows. And by the way, guys, I know it sounds weird. I don't know. I never traded the Globex levels. Like, I keep hearing, like, almost every day, like, we traded the Globex. We traded the Globex here and there and this and that and in that. And I know it's going to sound weird, but how do you trade the Globex? I think I have to research some videos. I mean, I know what it is, but I need to research some videos about strategy. I don't want to trade it. Not that I want to shift my strategy. I want to do the same thing. I'm just kind of curious and genuine, like how is it a thing? Like, how is that being traded? What are the levels that traders are watching? So I might going to do some research on YouTube and try to get some information. Like, I keep seeing all these traders like, I'm trading the Globex. Oh, did you guys have success at the Globex yesterday or this morning? I'm like, what the heck are these guys doing? Like, but I will look into it. Did you know equities will trade from 33 from December? Oh, I didn't know that. That's, I mean, I heard some rumors, but I didn't know the exact date or hour. Globex is basically a gamble. Don't do it, Tom. All right. I mean, guys, I'm not willing to change anything the way I trade. I am absolutely comfortable the way I break it down and the way I look at it. I'm good. But I keep seeing lots of people trading the Globex. It's a total crapshoot. Oh, the first hour can be pretty wild, though. I do trade it. Just don't prefer it because you don't know what's going to happen. Oh, I see. I'm going to do some research just out of curiosity. Like, how is that a thing? Thank you for all the likes. We are at 126 likes. Thank you so much, everyone. Globex, yeah, I get it. Globex just feels like a lottery ticket. By the way, speaking of lottery, just a bit of a politics here, all right? Bit of a story time until we wait for pre-market open. But it's fun. Should I retry to short gold on retrace? You can, but I would wait for a bigger push. I mean, let it push higher, and then maybe from there. That's what I would do. It's a bit of a funny thing. As you all know, here in Hungary, there was the huge election, regime change, and after 16 years, our previous government went away. They were dictators, and it was a regime. Anyway, after the elections, Revamp, hello. Thank you for joining. So after the elections, guess what happened? The next weekend, get it? Hold on. The next weekend, all the lotteries have been won. Everybody won the lottery. We have a lottery of 5 numbers, the 6-number lottery. We have a so-called Scandinavian lottery. We have the Joker lottery. All the numbers hit the winners on the same weekend. On the same weekend, almost all the lotteries won. Everybody on the same weekend. The mathematical change, the mathematical chance to hit the lottery on the same weekend on all the lotteries is basically 1 to like a gazillion. Anyway, that's the story. I'm not missing, no. But anyway, in one single weekend, everybody won the lottery. Like, I'm sorry, all the 4 major lotteries had a winner. All the major lotteries had a winner on the same weekend after the election. So the lottery is being observed and controlled, by the way, by a government facility, a government bureau. And guess what? After the election, all the major could bust 572. Let's see. Maybe. Gold is still kind of going down. If we hit the 1 hour demand zone, I would not be looking for more shorts, that's for sure. $127 likes. Let's go. Let's push it if we still can. All right. Let's see. I trade gold. Yes. Yes, LM. I do trade gold, but by the way, if you guys were not here this morning, I had a where was it? It was here. I had the limit short order here. My limit short order and my stop loss was here. Look at this. Oops, sorry. So look at what happened. My limit short was 46.19.5 and the highest candle went to 19.4. My short entry was missed by one single tick. One single tick. So this is what happened in this stream earlier. Hey, it was a little bit frustrating. But anyway. Okay, now this is now for me, it's not really good. So I wouldn't take this. Now we just reached the 1 to 2 deviation, very close to the 1 hour zone. That would be a low probability trade for me. Yeah, one tick away from my sell limit order. Literally one tick away from my sell limit order up there. I was like, what? And it went to a beautiful 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. So if we could have nailed that and this one, I would be out of this world on a Friday. Yeah. But I'm not unhappy. I'm happy about this trade too. So. I'm in a short position on gold, aiming for 52. 52 down there. That's actually not a bad place. Oh yeah, previous day low. Good. Yeah, that could be a decent drop. Would you be looking to go long soon on gold? Only if we would at least mitigate that level, that 45.91-ish. So this, let me just show you. Let me put this here. Okay, so if we would go down here, build some structure, then I would go long from somewhere here, using a fair value gap maybe and the structure shift. But first I need to see something like this, then I would go long. Uh, 15 minutes, 45.95. Let's see. NQ is definitely looking better now, but it's still not good for long. For me, this is not good for long. No, it's not. I need structure. This is still not structure. This is still bearish. This is just the lower high. This is a retracement, nothing more. At least yet in this moment. This is just a retracement. We are still bearish. Oh, the 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. So the 1 minute, let me just switch on to the 1 minute here. So the 1 minute, we do have a structure shift. That's true. But there's no... Oh, wow. Look at this. What just happened? So on the 1 minute, it could be good. It could be good. Right this week. Look at that. Let me zoom in on the 1 minute. It's kind of interesting that you asked it right now. Look at that. Obviously, it's dangerous because we have a liquidity void on the 1 minute here. So be careful with that. But this candle here has actually created the classic ICT setup here. So just look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think we missed it, guys. We missed it. And this just happened in one single candle. It spiked down there. If this would have been a limit buy order, picking up the order, and then boom, already at 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Look at the ratio here. Boom. I think we missed it on the 1 minute. Creative wall printing actually saw the future. You actually saw it. At the 1 hour demand zone, if it breaks below that, I'm aiming for that previous London low on NQ. NQ. Oh, on gold. On gold. Okay, on gold. Yeah, so if it closes below the 1 hour demand zone or inside, because it's still gonna be inside, then you can. Gold, yeah, gold. So I would definitely not be taking a position on the 1 minute. Okay, gold hit the 1 hour demand zone. Up 1 to 3 on the trade. Let's go. I can't long gold. I can't go long. It's a very crucial criteria for me. I just can't. I need structure. Without structure, I can't do it. I can't. NQ is getting lower. I wasn't expecting this type of volume. Actually, it's getting more decent now. Hmm. 672 up there, all-time high. Okay, let's see what the 4 hour pre-market open will bring us. 572. Okay. Yeah, we could. No problem, Randall. We just get a suspension block on H1. On gold. Or on NQ. On NQ, right? No. Would this be the suspension? No. On NQ. Where is the suspension? This would be the suspension block from here to the top? Or is it somewhere else? This one here? I'm not sure. Yeah? Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, we hit the 5-minute demand zone as well on gold. Stop too tight. Oh, yeah, could be wicking a little bit up and down, but anyway, less than 2 minutes to go until the pre-market open. Gold and 2 daily volume imbalance. It's getting interesting now. $134 likes already. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's wait and we'll see how 4 a.m. will go. And of course, the commercial is, if you would like to support the channel, please use the code up there. You see it in the banner. It's TOMSABO. Same everywhere. You can use it for all these prop firms to get the best available deals. It does help the channel a lot. It does help me to be here full time every day. That's it. Thank you. I appreciate it. Something smells fishy. I don't know. I mean, let's see how the pre-market open will go. Let's see how the pre-market open will go. I wonder if, for example, NQ can shift the structure at 604 here. I wonder if it will do that or not. You're still holding. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry, man. Here it is, the pre-market open, or actually electronic trading hours. Just a quick look on NVIDIA rolling down. Tesla, nothing. What is this? No, that's the Dow. Meta is also going lower a little bit. Oh, sorry. NVIDIA is higher. Sorry, I was wrong. I was looking at regular trading hours. So it's a bullish push here. All right. You know, I mentioned your order didn't get filled by 1 pip. Yeah, I had a similar thing. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I hate that, right? That's so bad. This is on gold right now. This is not a structure still. This is still, we need a swing high, and there is no swing high here yet. So unfortunately, it's still not a good structure or a structure at all. Still kind of bearish on gold. Let's go, LMW. Congratulations. Don't be too greedy, right? We have Michael Falou. Thank you for joining the channel. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, Michael. Macro time. My pleasure. Thank you so much, Michael, for joining us. All right, thank you for being here, LMB. I'm not long on gold. No. I have no positions yet. I had a short position on NQ and I had a limit short on gold that has not been triggered. So only one trade on NQ. Yeah, I was kind of waiting for a shift to go bullish, but it did not happen yet. 546. Randall is saying 546 is the target. Let's see. It could be. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't think I'm gonna take another trade, so I think I'm gonna call it here, everybody. Trading game, hello. I'm just calling it, guys. So I'm calling it here, and I'll be back for the early New York session, and hopefully, yeah, prop firm accounts. Yeah. So thank you for being here. We had a great session though, despite the fact that we have some bank holidays. Thank you. I'll be back for early New York session, and hopefully we will have even more fun. Thank you for supporting. If you would like to keep on supporting the channel, please consider using the code up there. TOMSABO. Look, you'll see it. All these prop firms, you can get the best available deals. Thank you again. Keeper of the candles, thank you for joining the channel. And everybody else who just subbed to the channel. You guys are amazing. I'm here every day. Thank you for the support. I'll be back early New York session. And after that, MyFundedTV. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all. Cheers.